Start.
Hello friends, my name is Mishita from second day. Today I am going to share a one amazing experiment exploiting volcano. For this we need some baking soda, liquid soap and food coloring. Mix it well. Let's see what is the result. Add some vinegar. Wow, it's coming out. You know friends, baking soda and vinegar mixed, it produces carbon dioxide, which leads to explosion.